I would say that the Career Fairs events is the most significant event that we organize from Careers Department each academic year. So the primary focus of this career fair is bringing our students to the professional market.
We're just figuring out how to attract employers. So I think this fair would be a really, really valuable asset to our future. And it's also for free. It's included in our studies. So I definitely had to take the opportunity.
In this particular edition, we have improved the tailor-made process to match our offer with our students' interests. So we have organized very attractive workshops to prepare them in an operational and strategic way to get access to the market with tools, with techniques, with methodologies.
GBSB has given me workshops today that I hope I could pitch myself better when I come to these job fairs, and I just want to be more confident with myself.
A lot of people don't really understand that in order to find a job, you have to understand yourself and your interests in order to give out the best quality to the job that you do.
Start doing their own self-assessment process to understand strengths and capabilities. From that, trying to mapping interests in terms of industries, job function, to then get tools to prepare interviews, to do their CVs, to reach with their goals.
Within the interactive workshops we're having, we learn a lot about ourselves, our personality, what are our strengths and our weaknesses, so we can perform better in our workspace and find the best opportunities that fit for us.
It helps me to know myself better, so I know which path I should take.
We have to understand that we are gonna spend at least 30 of our lifelong time journey in our workplace.
We had this part where we brainstorm what are the possible jobs that aligns with my personality. And honestly, with the brainstorming and talking to people who kind of have the same personality as me, I figured there's a list of jobs that are more suitable for me.
For students that are unsure or short, it is very important to always have some room, have some time to stop and to reflect and to think about their future. I would say for each of us. So it is worth to stop academic classes and dedicate 2 days event to reflect, to think, to plan, to design your professional career.
We went to university, we got all the technical skills, but now we need the real life skills in order to find out how to be as employable as possible. So I would say that these events, if anything, are just as important as attending your classes.
The final stage of this methodology is contacting them with corporates and SMEs. So we are aware that one of the most difficult things is to being interviewed.
Now I have a clearer vision of what specific positions I would be targeting so far.
I have to say that I'm very proud to communicate that we have also doubled the number of corporates and SMEs that are attending to the fair to connect, to matchmake, and to network from our students.
I know we don't know here everyone 100%, but we're learning a little bit about each other and how we can improve ourselves.
Go there and try to do something, try to learn more about how you should conduct an interview, or you will be prepared for doing it, and it's gonna be so easier for you to find a job because you're gonna be physically and mentally prepared to apply and to be really confident about it.
So every second, every minute that we dedicate reflecting about our future, about professional career, has consequently an impact in a more successful professional life and of course in a more happier life.